here on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find the basic cryptocurrency for trading, for holding and investing. As you know already, a lot of people they are always investing on the um, cryptocurrency, but if you want to trading, or if you want to holding, or if you want to investing with the cryptocurrency, you should check it all information about it, right? I also recommend you should study step by step with the cryptocurrency. It's good, right? And you do not pay a lot of money in the cryptocurrency if you don't have study about it, right? Because it high, however it high profits, but it high risk, high return, the same, right? So be careful before you decide investing with this. I think that however you are first in cryptocurrency, you just subscribe to my channel and I will show you step by step every day, so you can decide by yourself which crypto you should trading or holding or investing, right? For me, I can recommend if you are first in cryptocurrency, you should choose holding, right? Sports wallet is safe for you and save your capital, and you will earn some money after you holding. But you will check first with the projects you want to holding to, right? You don't FOMO anyone, and you don't um, buy, or you don't holding quickly with the cryptocurrency, but you can check step by step, or you can check project, or you can study first, right? I also recommend like that, because in the cryptocurrency is good for profit in the future, right? A lot of countries start improvement on the cryptocurrency it's already, so I think that in the future it's good for the cryptocurrency. I'm think so, right? Today the market is green, so you can for me, I do not recommend you should buy while the cryptocurrency is explode or it higher price. It's not good for buy for and holding, right? And you can see here once the Windows bubble was number one is LDO, right? Number one is LDO. It can explode to 107%, right? So this is the high return or high profit is someone by LDO on the 3 or 5 days ago, right? You know already the big profit with the cryptocurrency, but if you want to trading or investing with the crypto, you should check it all information about the project, and you can decide investing, right? And you can see here 1 week ago, right? 1 week ago, LDO price 0.58, right? 0.58. This is the low price. It good for the investing around the 3 or 5 or 1 month later. You can earn around 50 or 100% like that, because you know already start from January and until now the cryptocurrency or stock market are down step by step every day, right? Down step by step every day. So be careful, right? Be careful, and you can find the best project for holding while the crypto down or while the market crash. This is the good time, right? This is the good time for you. And for me, I'm seeing that I'm seeing that after you buying and holding, yeah, you should keep your security account wallet, right? So what exchange you should choose the invest or holding. I can recommend number one is Binance, right? You know already Binance is the big cryptocurrency. A lot of people and in the world, right? It is the in the world use the Binance for holding or trading or selling or buying with the cryptocurrency. and number 2 is Coinbase, right? Coinbase is number 2 and the go-to for holding and stuff. Yeah, after you find the best project and for holding already, you should choose the best exchange for stuff. Yeah, it first starts your capital, and then you can earn your profit self money. Yeah, this is the best trick. I'm also recommend a lot of people should do like that. If you are new in cryptocurrency, yeah, you can you can check my video step by step. I always show you the best trick and the best grade for find the projects make profit daily, right? And weekly or yearly. This is the best grade. I'm also use it too, right? And you can see here um, QNT, right? QNT so 1 week ago $75. If you buy one QNT, yes, today you can earn around the 30 or $40 only. Yeah, only one QNT coin, right? And why it's plot big like that? Because you know already around 5 and 6 months already, yeah, crypto and stock market are down. So from today it will, yeah, it will explode step by step around the 10%, 20% or 30% easy. If you are choose the first project in coin market cap or first project in the crypto's bubble, yeah, so it's up for you and find the best exchange for the holding. Right, I also recommend you should choose the first pick in coin market cap, so it's up for you. And today I'm so use the base one secret for earn the big money around 500 thousand dollar or $1 million around the 1 or 2 or 5 years later, right? And you can check here, I show you, right? If you check on the get IO and click on the Semanoi meme coin, so you can see a lot of meme coin here, and a lot of people they can earn from the meme coin already, right? I exported SIBA. Yeah, you know already SIBA in one years ago, yeah, SIBA price is low price, and then it can explode to 0.0008. So if you buy this year in SIBA, so you can earn around 1,000% or 10,000% by with the SIBA. So if you pay yeah, if you pay $20 and you buy SIBA at 0.00, yeah, and this price, and you can earn 1,000 million or 1 billion, yeah, 1 billion SIBA. And on the November 2021, SIBA exploded to 0.008, yeah, 0.0008. So you can see here, you pay your capital only $20 and you can earn your profit $80,000 is only 1 year. Why? This is the best grade. I also find the best project for holding around the 5 or 1 year, and with the a little bit capital, yeah, a little bit capital, so you can earn a lot of money too, right? This is the best grade. I'm also use it, and today I show you some the meme coin. You can check it all information before you decide investing. But you can see here, number 1 is Dogecoin, number 2 is SIBA, number 3 is Baby Dog. Yeah, so Baby Dog today, if you have Baby Dog price today is low because a lot of yeah, a lot of project or the market crash, so you can pay $20. I'm seeing, so yeah, $20 you can see here. So you can earn, yes, 15 billion coin. Yeah, you pay $20 and you can earn 15 billion baby dog coin. And after the 1 or 5 years later, yeah, and I'm seeing that it will explode to the, yeah, 0.0005. So you can earn a lot of money. You can see here you have seven you have 77,000, yes, $77,000, a lot of money, right? Yes, this is basically it for you. I'm seeing that it's good for you. Thank you very much for watching my video, and don't forget subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.